In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow shutdown on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the number of different fixes what we can try, and we'll try the most common fix first. So fix number one is to turn off fast startup. Now this is a common cause, even though it sounds super helpful. Fast startups can actually slow shutdowns. So to do this, want to go ahead and click on the Windows and R key to open up Run. And then from here, we want to type in Control and then hit OK. Now we need to navigate to Power Options. So click onto Power Options. Now on the left hand side, we've got a bunch of tabs. Click on Choose what the power button does. Now we've got the shutdown settings here. So this is enabled. So what we want to do is disable that. So go ahead and turn off fast startup. And then from there, click Save Changes. Now the next fix here is to close background apps automatically. So apps running in the background delay shutdown. So you want to go ahead and get in the Task Manager. So click onto Task Manager. Then we need to go to Startup Apps. And now basically disable any unnecessary apps. So this can be Discord, Spotify, etc. Now the next fix is to run a system files check. So corrupt system files can slow shutdowns. So basically we want to go ahead and get into command prompt. So type in CMD and then run this as administrator. Now once it's running, we want to go ahead and put this line of code in, sfc/scan now. And then hit enter. Then from there, we want to go ahead and run this next line. And that next line is going to be, I'll just paste it here. So I'm just going to get a new text document. So you can copy and paste this. So yeah, next line is DISM online cleanup image restore health. Another fix what we can try is have a look at these Windows updates. So bugs in updates can cause slow shutdown. So get into settings and then find Windows Update on the left hand side tab. To the right, go ahead and check for updates and download any new and install updates.